Hi all. We have an interesting system of equations here. We have f of x defined to be a sum of, I guess, what do we have here? 10 absolute value expressions. And we're given a pretty big hint here. We're given that this system of equations has a unique natural number solution. Natural number solution meaning 1, 2, 3, 4 ad infinitum. And so that leads us to maybe make a simplifying assumption. Now, what I did here is I made the most straightforward assumption I could to see if this might lead to a solution. So in other words, I assumed that x was greater than or equal to 10. But notice when you do that, each of the x minus i's, okay, when under this assumption, each of the x minus i's is also going to be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so again, if x is greater than or equal to 10, x minus 10 is going to be greater than or equal to 0. X minus 9 is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So that means we can remove the absolute value bars. So you notice the absolute value bars went away, making it a pretty simple problem. Now, again, folks, knowing to start here is a little bit of a stretch, but you are given that there is a unique natural number solution. So you might as well try the simplest case first. So we did make this assumption that x is greater than or equal to 10. X minus I greater than or equal to 0 implies that f of x now just equals to this straightforward linear expression. The absolute value bars got removed. Now, this handy little formula for summing up the first n integers ends up giving us 55 for the sum of 1 through 10. 1, 2, all the way up through 10 add up to 55 based on this result right here, the triangular number result. Okay, so since this is a system of equations, you can just set the two expressions equal to each other. So when you do that, if you subtract 7x from this side, you'll get what, 3x. If you add 55 to this side, you'll get 66. So you'll end up with 3x equals to 66. Again, folks, that's supposed to read 3x equals to 60x, but that certainly results in x equals 22. Okay, y'all, that's the answer. And that's the only integer solution or natural number solution to this problem. X equals 22 is the only natural number solution. Now, it turns out there's a rational solution to this particular system also, but you kind of have to, that's a little more difficult to find. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought.